Hey you guys, welcome back to my living room. Here we go with lesson 3. So go ahead and open your math book to page 541. And this lesson is analyze picture graphs. Okay, so here we go. You guys see the first chart talks about your favorite dinner. So go ahead and read the choices with me. So we have spaghetti, tacos, chicken, and meatloaf. Can you guess what my favorite is? Yeah, I know. You already know. It's tacos. Yes, you're right. Okay, so let's go ahead and read the key first because that's going to give us some good information. So the key is each food is equal to 1 vote. Okay, here we go. So for spaghetti, let's go ahead and count how many people liked spaghetti best. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's go ahead and write a 4 over here on this line. Okay, and for tacos, let's go ahead and count those bad boys. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 for tacos. And for chicken, 1, 2. And we'll write that one down. And for meatloaf, there was 1. So, which dinner is the least favorite? Okay, you guys are going to try to trick you here. Okay, they don't want to know which one's the favorite. They want to know which one is the least favorite. And that would be, you guessed it, meatloaf. So let's go ahead and write meatloaf. Okay, now go ahead and turn the page. See and show. So let's go ahead and read this part together. You can use a picture graph to answer questions. So what pet is the favorite? So here we have a chart with favorite pet. So our options are fish, dog, and cat. So let's go ahead and count how many preferred the fish. But before we count, let's go ahead and read the key first so we know how many people actually liked the fish. Why am I having such a hard time looking for that key first? That's always the first thing that we should do so that we know how many people actually like fish. Okay, so the key, each animal picture is 1 vote. Okay, now we can count. So for fish, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, for dog, there are 1, 2. And for cat, there are 1, 2, 3, 4. So what pet is the favorite? Okay, so now they want the favorite. See how they're trying to trick you? Don't let them trick you, okay? Just make sure you read those questions carefully. So what pet is the favorite? Even just by looking at this graph, you can already see, even without counting, which one is the favorite. The favorite is fish. So go ahead and just trace the word fish. How many votes does each picture show? So each picture stands for how many votes? 1, you're right. So go ahead and trace that 1. Okay, moving on. Use the data from the graph to answer the questions. So we have favorite summer activity. So the activities that we have are, go ahead and read them with me. Swim, bike ride, rollerblade, or play baseball. And so the key says that each picture is equal to 1 vote. Okay, so for swim, let's go ahead and count how many votes were for swimming. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 votes for swimming. I personally don't know how to swim unless I have some floaties around my arms. It's okay. I'll learn one day, maybe. Bike ride, 1, 2, 3. Rollerblade, 1, 2. Play baseball, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So number 1, go ahead and read it with me. It says, what activity is like the least? What activity is like the least? So just by looking at my picture graph, I can already tell that there is one that has less pictures next to it than the others, right? And so that would be rollerblade. So go ahead and rate rollerblade under number 1. Number 2 says, which 2 activities have the same number of votes? The same number of votes. So go ahead and look at your chart and see if you can find which one has the same number of votes. And go ahead and whisper the 2 to your imaginary partner that you're sitting next to. Bike ride and play baseball. You're right. Bike ride and play baseball. So we can go ahead and write bike ride and baseball. Okay. Now finally, for question number 3, says, how many people like to swim and play baseball in all? Okay. We know that in all means we're going to be combining, which means add. So how many like to swim and play baseball? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 1, 2, 3. So 5 plus 3 equals 8. Okay. Now, if you guys need to rewatch this lesson again because you didn't understand a certain part, you can go ahead and do that. Or if you just want to see my lovely face and hear my lovely voice again, that's cool too. If not, go ahead and start on my own pages, which are 543 and 544. I can't wait to see you guys tomorrow, Tuesday, for office hours. Make sure that you guys come to me with some questions if you have questions. If not, feel free to say hi. Okay? Can't wait to see you guys.